Grigory Grabovoi concentration exercises for the third day of the month. The first exercise. On the third day of the month, the concentration should be placed on a flower or plant of your choice. The plant can be physical, just as it exists in the real world around us. In this case, you can simply look at the plant during the concentration exercise, or you can imagine the plant mentally and then focus upon the mental image of the visualized plant. This concentration exercise resorts to the method of reflection. Here is the essence of this technique. While you are concentrating on the chosen plant, you imagine how your sought-after result is taking shape in the light that is reflected back from the plant. To be more precise, you don't merely imagine this desired result, but you actually see it in front of you. You actually create this result. An event that has been constructed with the help of this exercise becomes harmonized. The fact that the chosen plant already exists fairly harmoniously in the world also contributes to the success of this process. Exercise number 2 for the third day of the month. 7-digit sequence of numbers. 5, 1, 4, 2, 5, 8, 7. 9-digit sequence. 4, 2, 1, 9, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The third exercise for the third day of the month. Look at the reality around you, and you will see numerous worlds. Choose the world that you need, approach it, and try to expand it. Look at this world with the eyes of an observer. Come close to it. Place your hands on it and feel the warmth that it gives off. Move this world closer to yourself and look at its creator. Listen to what he tells you and what advice he has for you. You can compare his knowledge to yours and so gain access to the world eternal and everlasting.